Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add description to your playlist on the youtube.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, tap on the playlist on the left side column of the screen. After that, here you can find this no description section that you can edit by tapping on this pencil icon. And here, as you can see, you have 5,000 characters to type in your description or the bio of your playlist. So feel free to type in your description, and if you are done, tap on the save button below. And here you will be able to find your description, and you can edit it anytime by tapping on the same button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.